Isn't it powerful how certain dates carry deep meaning for some of us and yet pass quietly for others? For most of the world, June 19th is just another day on the calendar. As an American, I've always recognized Juneteenth, a day that honors freedom, resilience, and the fight for justice by Black Americans. But what I didn't realize was that this same week, my Filipino family and friends are honoring someone just as powerful in their history. His name, Dr. José Rizal, a name I'd heard, but never truly understood. So who was he? José Rizal wasn't a warrior with a sword. He was something even more dangerous to injustice. He was a thinker, a writer, a truth teller. Born on June 19th, 1861, in Calamba, Philippines, Rizal was a doctor, an artist, a linguist, and a passionate reformer. He used the power of his pen to expose the abuse, racism, and corruption of Spanish colonial rule in the Philippines. His novels, Noli Tangere and El Filibusterismo, weren't just literature. They were a mirror held up to a broken system. He revealed the cruelty of the clergy, the silencing of the native people, and the hunger for dignity and self-rule. He was banned, he was exiled, and eventually he was executed by firing squad in 1896. He was just 35 years old, but his death lit a fire that could not be put out. Why does it matter? Rizal sparked a revolution, not with guns, but with ideas. He believed in peaceful reform to have an impact. He believed in education as the key to liberation. And he believed that Filipino people should be the authors of their own future. He stood for truth. He stood for human dignity. And he never backed down, even when it cost him his life. Today, his legacy continues to influence in Filipino classrooms, in the pride of a people who remember, and in every person who dares to lead with courage and purpose. So here's my ask to you. If June 19th has never meant much to you before, let it mean something now. Learn about José Rizal, read his words, and share his legacy, because his voice still echoes across generations, calling each of us to stand for truth, to think critically, and to lead with heart. Hanggang sa muli, mamuno tayo ng may layunin at puso. Please like and subscribe to this video, and until next time, keep leading with purpose.